Hey everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this $10 full set, sis. Yes, acrylic nails for $10. So if you want all the details, keep on watching. Okay, so here's everything you'll need. You'll need rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, a nail clipper, a nail file, nail glue, and of course, your nails. Okay, so the nails I'm using are the Professional Gel Nail Kit by Nail Bliss, and I purchased these from Sally Beauty Supply for $7.79. The kit comes with 30 nails in different colors and designs, and it also comes with nail glue, but we won't be using that. It also comes with a nail file and a manicure cuticle stick, but we'll come back to those later. And so here are all the nails fresh out of the box, and I'm gonna start trying to find the matches for all of my fingers. But silly me, what I didn't know at first was that these nails actually have numbers on the bottom of them, so you don't have to spend time trying to find the match for each finger. You could just look at the number on the back of the nail and then find the matching nail, and then boom, there you go. So after I finally finished spending all of that unnecessary time trying to find the matches, here are the nails that I chose for my set. Now I did one hand off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the other hand. I'm going to take that manicure stick that came with the nails and I'm going to push my cuticles back. Next, I'm going to use a coarse nail file to file down my nails to create a rough surface, and that'll give your false nails something to hold on to and ensure that they last as long as possible. After that, I'm going to take a cotton ball and the rubbing alcohol and wipe down each nail to remove any residue or oil, because you really want to ensure that your nails are clean and dry before applying the glue. Now earlier you saw me throw away the glue that came with the actual nails. Instead, I'm going to be using this Beauty Secrets Quick Dry Nail Glue, which I also purchased from Sally's. It was $1.99, and I'm using this glue instead because it's a much stronger adhesive and has a much stronger hold. So all you do now is apply the glue to your entire nail and press on the nail for about 10 seconds and repeat. And it's as simple as that. Now sis, make sure you are taking your time when you are applying your nails, okay? You do not want to rush this part. You do not want to end up with no crooked nails. So make sure you're taking your time, lining up each nail, and making sure that everything is perfect. So here are the final results, which I am loving. $10 acrylic nails. Sis, go to Sally's and cop up. These nails will last me 2 weeks, and then I will just repeat the whole process again. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever tried press-on nails, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, sis, I'll see you. Bye.